Hey guys, it's Liam, and I'm going to be showing you this Fortnite Battle Royale Collection box. And it's really cool. I got 4 characters, and I also got these V-Buck tags for the lobby. So, let's do this. Okay, so, comment down below who you think I should unbox first. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it looks like everyone wanted me to unbox Raven. Well, mostly everyone. I just noticed this could also be a squad pack. Okay, here comes Raven. Here is Raven. Now it's time to get Raven's backpack out. Here is Raven's backpack. So let's put that on Raven. Okay guys, I don't know the names of these guys, so I'm just looking on this. So here's Raven. He has Perdoles, so I'm gonna put him on this V-Buck pad. Oh wait, he doesn't go on that one. Which one does he go on? You had to squish it to do it? Guys, I'm really confused. What are these V-Buck pads for? If you guys know what these V-Buck pads are for, comment down below. What the heck? That's weird. Okay, so there's that. Okay, let's get out Rust Lord, I believe. Okay, never mind. Let's get out Rust Lord there. Let's get out Raptor. Raptor wants to come out. God, guys, this is so hard. I only got one out, which is Raven. Oh yeah, guys. There's a tiny little shockwave right in there. Right here. Tiny little shockwave. Okay, let's just get Rex out. Here's Rex. Here is Rex. So everyone knows he's the dinosaur. It's pretty cool. So here's Rex. Now we need to get Shockwave Grenade out. There we go. Okay, so we should be able to put this shockwave right. God, guys, it feels so weird showing something into a figure's hand. There we go. Here is Rex. Okay, now. Oh wait, actually, I forgot something for Rex. One more thing just for Rex. His backpack. So this is Rex's backpack. It's pretty cool. So let's put this right on Rex. And there we go. There is Rex's backpack. Now, get our scissors. Okay, guys. Here we have a rocket launcher. Oh, yeah. This is pretty cool. Not trying to lie, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, let's get this. Let's get this grenade launcher out. Okay, guys. Here's the grenade launcher. Tiny little grenade launcher. Okay, so let's get out these two figures. Here's Raptor. He's doing that because he needs to be holding a rocket launcher. Wait, does this actually come off? No? Okay. Hey guys. Do you guys remember how he was holding this? Alright, there we go. Okay guys, I don't think he can stand. So here is Raptor. Where's his backpack? Oh. Here's Raptor's. Oh. Here's Raptor's backpack. A little shovel. Yeah. Put this right here. And there we go. There's Raptor. So Raptor's my favorite skin in Fortnite is it's something I have. It's something I have. I forget what it is though. What the heck? Come out. Okay guys, someone fell. Oh, Raptor. And rocket launcher. Okay, let's just there we go. There. Now let's just get Wrist Lord's axe first. Okay, so here, oh, Rust Lord's pickaxe. Cool. Yeah. So, okay, see him. Like, so now we just need to get Rust Lord out. He is really hard to get out. I don't know why, but he is. There you go. Okay, there we go. Got him. What the heck? Wait, is Rust Lord supposed to have a backpack? Guys, Rust Lord's supposed to have a backpack. Okay. I still don't know how these work. Like, it doesn't make sense. I wish there was instructions, that'd be nice. If you guys know, just please comment down below. If you were supposed to your feet, that'd be stupid. So here is all of the stuff. So I'm just gonna do this. So here, okay, this is packs. This is definitely Rust Lords. Okay, so here's Rust Lord. Really cool. He's a really cool character. Okay, so here is Rex holding a shockwave grenade. And here is Raven. Really cool. Okay, so let's get end the video, guys. So, see ya. Peace out.